Checking out this security camera. Went with this one because a couple of reasons. It has great reviews and it's wireless. It's 100% wire free because it has a solar panel. So as we open it up here, you can see the instruction manual. It's always nice when they have these stickers that have the instructions on where, or the locations on where to mount the hardware. That's really cool. Got some styrofoam here protecting the solar panel on the top. That's USB-C. Underneath that we have the mount and then the camera itself. Looks like there's also another cable and some mounting hardware. We pull the camera out. We can see that it has two different antennas, so while it can be out and doesn't need to have any electricity going to it, it can wirelessly connect. And then it has a gimbal, so it can go up and down and left and right once it's mounted. Really liking the looks of this. Kind of looks like a robot, and I like that it's wireless. Hope this helps.